everyone. Hi. We have another haul from a Dollar Tree. And every time I go in a Dollar Tree, they have been putting out different Halloween things. So I'm excited to show you some more stuff. So let's get started. Okay. Now, I know I've showed these before, but they have two different colors. This guy is a little darker. So I don't know if you can see him, but he is a little darker. So if you want a darker one, they have two different colors now. They have a lighter one and a dark one. My daughter's gonna take it over here. Isn't he cute? Remember, I did one where I sparkled him, so you might want to just go back. Well, she can link it down one of my videos. I have this frog in my throat today, so I've already drank a gallon of water, but it's still there. Okay, next is this cute little mask. And it reminds me of some of the things that they sell at Disney. At, what is that one that we always go to with all the dolls?
It's in Mexico.
Yeah, it's in Mexico, but look how cute this is. This mask is adorable. I believe you can make these too, but for $1.25, I think it's cool. All right, next I got some cool napkins, which you can probably decoupage or Mod Podge these to glass so you can make some pretty cool things. But this guy was really cute. It's got the little monsters on there, the witches, the ghosts, the skeletons. Really cool stuff. So, we have these cute little napkins. They have plates with them, okay? I only found the plates once because I think it's a really good seller, but they will match the plates that I had at one time. And that would be really cool to decoupage too, like glass, which I will probably do, so you can see how it turns out. I found this mesh tube. They have it in all colors. They have it in purple and orange, but I thought this would be really cool if you wanted to outline something because I made a platter and I'm going to use it to outline the platter. It's the mesh that you can make bows with too. You can put it in your wreaths. And then they had some new, which was so cool, they had some new ribbon. And this is so cool. This is the little witch's hat. And here's the black with the pumpkins. And the Happy Halloween with the little spider webs. Now, you can also go on their website and buy things. I know sometimes it's in bulk, but sometimes if you can't find it in the store, check their website because they can also ship it to the store and you can pick it up in your store. Now, their little wine glasses. They have different colors. I got, this one's like I don't know, it's like a metallic. It's blue purple. It's so cool. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a very cool color.
Kind of like iridescent or something?
Yeah. I actually got some of these last year, and they do come in black, which I've got here in the purple, and they come in orange. But I figured one day I'm going to have a party, and I'm going to use these, and everybody gets to take one home. How about that one? That would be cool. Might even be cool, like if you had an adult Halloween party. Mm-hmm. It really would. But they had, which I haven't found before, they have the little tinsel stems. They have it in different colors too. I got the black. Remember these?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Pipe cleaners.
Yes, they're pipe cleaners. They call them tinsel stems though.
Look at
Pipe
that.
cleaners.
That's such a weird word for it.
Yeah, and it's like it's got a little bit of a shine to it. All right, my daughter picked out this. She loved this little gnome ghost. Woo, woo, woo. It's got eyes too. See?
Mine.
She also had to have this cat bucket, which she actually stores her yarn in. And she loves this one. I'm going to have to get another one for my other daughter because as a surprise, she'd probably like it too, to put all of her junk in it.
She did think it was really cute.
Did she?
Yeah. She was like, "You got a cat bucket? That's cute."
So these are cool. These are twist off. You could put like probably anything in it.
Candy corn.
Yeah, candy corn. Got pretty, and then it came in also a skeleton, which I thought, the fact that it screws off, which is nice, so it won't leak, which I hope. You could do different things with it. I haven't decided yet. I might do the napkins on this. Wouldn't that be cool?
That would be really cool.
Yeah, to Mod Podge, do that napkin that I showed you guys. That's what I'll probably do. That would be really cool.
Or you could, you know those candy eyeballs?
Yeah, that would be cute if it goes in there. They actually have the plastic ones too, which I have.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
a
cool.
whole bag of them. Okay, I got these pretty little dahlia clips. It's got the clip on it. I'm gonna make a wreath out of it. Just clip these on. I got
like
3 of
those.
them. Huh?
I like those.
Aren't they pretty?
They're really pretty.
They're really pretty.
They're really pretty.
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 Okay, then I picked up, I like using these as bases, guys. I mean, I know y'all could use them for different things, but they're little cardboard boxes. And I've used them before to put flowers in, but see how cool that is? And then you just get some flowers from there, and you have a cute little item decor, a little flower vase, just for Halloween.
You need that?
And they have these cute little LED metal skull lamps, which I will open this for you. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to open it to see if it works. It better work. I bought some lights there and it didn't work. It was missing a spring. Okay, so I'm going to pull the little tab. Bing. And it works. Isn't that cute?
That's really cute.
That'd be cute in the bathroom, like a little night light. I might have to do that to my bathroom. I don't know how long they last. Okay. 2 more items for Halloween is, you know, they always have their little boxes. This is Tales of Terror. Fantastically terrifying tales of horror to scare you to the bone. But, you know, you can put, I like to stack them and put something on top of them. This one's the complete apothecary, but you know, you can stack them and probably put, you know, something on top. I'm actually doing this way. But you can use them as risers, or you can hide them on your bookcase. You can hide them on your bookcase and pretend they're books. And hide secret items in them.
Could hide your tarot cards in there.
Or your cookies that you don't want anybody to take, or your Halloween candy that you get.
Halloween candy.
That would be cool. Okay, the next items are just, these are just items that I needed, but maybe you need them too because they're cheaper, which we looked it up on Walmart, and Walmart is more expensive, but lemon juice, 17 ounces, how much? It was like $2 and something at Walmart.
Yeah, something like that for like 15 ounces.
Okay, Brillo pads, right here, we needed those to scrub some pots.
Not looking forward to it.
So we also got the copper squirrels. Now this is funny. They had some that were 2 in a package, and then they had some that were 3 in a package. So of course, get the 3 in a package. You gotta watch that Dollar Tree. I don't know if they're gonna switch it out. Now, sometimes I get a lot of their spices and stuff, but look at this. Coarse sea salt. Look how much, it's like a pound for $1.25. Can't beat that price. Yeah, you can't beat that. And then I found this little one, which I think is pretty cute, because you could actually take this, put it in a picnic basket, and it's got the grinder on it. So it's got the granular, so you have to grind it. But I mean, that would be cute. Isn't it, if you want to do a little picnic basket for somebody?
That's good.
It is. I got these little removable picture strips, which I need. I have something that keeps falling off my wall. So if you didn't know they had them, they have them. And I always get my medicine from them. I did. I get the headache relief. They're good just to keep in the car. I got the headache PM, which I've never tried before. It's a nighttime sleep aid with a pain reliever. There's 20 capsules in it for $1.25. And then I got some aspirin, low dose. You get 40 of them. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal. Wow, this one, this 60 tablets for $1.25. That's unbelievable. It's like Tylenol. It says compared to Tylenol. Oh my gosh, look at that. I don't know if you can see the 60 on it, but it's $1.25.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I got some pumpkin napkins for Thanksgiving. And I got these two, which I'm probably going to do a DIY with it too.
Cute.
Of course, they sell the rope, which I got. I know some of these items you probably have seen before, but I needed to pick it up because I was out of them. And I got these mesh ribbons, which I think are so pretty to make bows or even to put in a wreath. Look how pretty they are. I wouldn't mind a sweater like that. I know, I'm weird.
No, I just know that that's you secretly asking me to make you one.
Yeah, she's my crocheter. She does a lot of my stuff. However,
I have a tendency to start things and not finish them.
She's got these shrugs that she's making for me. Now, one of them, of course, we can't find more of it. We're hoping they haven't discontinued it. That would be horrible. But yeah, I'm going to get them one day.
One day.
Yeah. Okay, a couple of mirrors. You know, they make really cute mirrors that you can spray paint using your decor. Not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but I was thinking something Halloween, you know. Cups, you know. Got this for my little boy because he has a metal one and it keeps dropping. It's got 100 dents in it. So this screws on. It is, I don't know how many ounces, but it's a big one.
Not bad for $1.25.
Oh, 16 ounces. Hopefully he doesn't destroy it too much.
That's about as much as mine.
Isn't that?
Yeah.
It's not bad. Toilet scrubber, you can't go beating this one. $1.25. Put one in every one of your bathrooms. Kids have to scrub the toilets. Everybody, I got some of these stickers, wall stickers. This one says, "This is us, our story, our home, our love." Of course, for a DIY. And then this beautiful one that says "Believe." It's got sort of a, I guess, a shine to it. Yeah. Should say sheen.
Metallic.
Yeah, it's almost really pretty. And I got some of these tiles. I've had some before, but I haven't done anything with them. I want to do something with them. If anybody's got any great ideas, please comment below if you've done this or you've used these. I would love to do something with these. I haven't yet, but yeah, I think these are pretty cool. And of course, breast cancer awareness is this month, and it says pink is more than a pretty color, so never give up. My mother had breast cancer, so I always have my pink in my hair for 8 years. And it's just a reminder to take care of yourself, have your mammograms every year. This is a good reminder. Put it on your refrigerator, you know. Okay, the next is something I got from Walmart. All right, now I'm going to think I'm crazy, but look at this. Look at this. It was the coolest thing ever. It has a hand. It has like a black and white pumpkin. It's got black flowers. It was incredible. I had to have it. I'm sorry. I was one of those like, I have to have this.
She knocked down every other piece of flour in the store, though, trying to get all the pieces.
Well, you know, it was funny. Every one of them was missing the hand, which was so funny. So I had to really like delve into it. But look how it's got the web flower. But isn't that, look at that. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. It is so fun. Isn't that fun?
It's really
the pumpkins. I don't know if you can see the black and white one. Yeah. Whoops, some fell out. I threw those in there from Dollar Tree. That one's from Dollar Tree. So I made it full. I put 2 of these in there just to
Another one of them was trying to fall out too.
Yeah. So that's Walmart, and I got a couple other things from Walmart. Okay, they have these Halloween light up bracelets, which I thought would be cute for the kids. 98 cents. You know, you want kids to have fun. Hopefully they can wear it when they're trick-or-treating. And
Did you see the design?
I don't know.
It has little ghosts.
Oh, I didn't see that. And then I got, oh boy, the little fingers. You put them on your fingers and they light up.
Little finger flashlights.
Yeah, they're cute.
I remember having some of those when I was little. Yeah, they were always so much fun because then you'd like point your fingers in front of you as a flashlight and you'd walk around in the dark.
That is fun. Okay, I went into the jewelry department and they had some of their jewelry marked down, so you might want to just check there. This was supposed to be $7. It's 3 little bottles of jewelry in metal blue. It was supposed to be $6.97. The sticker said $2, but when they rang up, it rang up as $1. So I thought that, yeah, you know, think about Dollar Tree, $1.25. You're getting 3 of these for $1. And then these were on sale. Some of them, you know, some of their stuff was on sale. I just thought these were really pretty. She'll have to show them to you with her hands because they were just. I might make these into earrings. And then this, I love this. They only had one of these. It was probably the last one. But this would be pretty as earrings, wouldn't it?
That would be pretty as
Just
earrings.
dangly earrings. Look, isn't that pretty? Yeah.
Those are
Of course, I got the wire. I'm going to make some rings, which you'll see in my video. Stay tuned because we're making jewelry. She's already made a ton of it.
Yeah, I just need to edit that video.
So wait for that. Okay, my favorite. I know most of you probably don't like candy corn because everybody goes, "Ooh, candy corn." Yeah, ooh. We do. We like candy corn. I know.
We're a candy corn house.
Yeah, she made a
candy corn backpack.
Yeah, she made a candy corn backpack last year. Is that on our channel?
Not Crafty Mom, but the other one.
Joni and Angelina?
Yeah, but I can link it.
Yeah, link it. She made the coolest backpack, and it looks like a candy corn. So she will link it. Of course, a big old jar of Mod Podge. Gotta have that. And, you know, some weird things. I got long gloves, black gloves, because you never know what you're going at as Halloween, but I'm sure I'll want some long gloves.
You most likely will.
And then I got the spider tights. They were $5.98. And I honestly, I wear these year round for different costumes, like not just costumes, but if I'm out.
But like outfits.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Like, hey, might as well be a little spooky year round.
I did get an ice and gel from Dollar Tree. I didn't think that was important, but you know, they always get red to have it at Christmas time for cookies. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. So, you know, if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful. Hit the like button, notification bell. Share it with your family and friends. Oh my gosh, we love you guys so much. And what else? Do you want to say anything?
Just bye.
She just wants to say bye-bye. Anyway, be good to yourself and everyone around you and your family and friends. Take care. Love you. See you in the next video. Bye.